Hello, kids! It's reading time! Today, we are going to practice reading CVC words with Jolly Phonics Group 2. What are Jolly Phonics Group 2 letters? They are letter C, letter K, letter E, H, R, M, and D. Let's say the sounds of the following. K. Letter K is the same sound with letter C. So it is K. E. D. Let's start from the K sound. K. A. T. Cat. 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 This is a cat. K. A. K. R. Car. Car. K. A. K. N. Can. Can. K. A. P. Cap. 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 Let's proceed to the letter K, which is K sound. K. E. Y. Children, the sound of letter E here is the long E, which is E. Please remember, if it is short E, the sound is E. Let's continue reading. K. E. Y. K. E. Key.
The mouse ran up the clock struck one.
K. I. T. K. It. K. It. Kit. Kit. K. I. D. K. It. K. Id. Kid. Kid. K. I. K.
Dog barked at the clock struck three.
K. I. K. K. Ik. Kick. Let's proceed to the next sound. It is short E. 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 G. K. Egg. Egg. Egg.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two.
E. Oak. E. Oak. Elk. 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 E. Of. E. Of. Elf. Elf. P. E. T. P. Et. Pet. Pet. P. E. P. E. P. N. Pen. H sound. H. A. T. H. At. H. At. Hat. Hat.
The hen pecked at the clock struck six.
E. N. 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 Hen. Hen. I. T. It. It. Hit. Hit the ball. It. ip, h, ip, hip, hip, up, 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 hop, hop. Next is the sound. A, t, at, at, rat, rat, a, k, ag, ag, rag, rag, ed, ed, red, 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 ip, 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 rip, rip, am, am, ram, 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 ah, on, run, run. Let's go to the sound. A, p, app, app, map, map, a, an, man, man, a, d, add, add, mad, mad, eh, an, an, man, 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 it, it, mit, mit, ah, d, odd, odd, mud, mud. Let's go to the d sound. D, a, d, d, add, dad, 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 d, a, d, d, dam, dam, d, e, n, d, n, d, n, dan, d, I, g, d, ig, d, ig, dig, dig, d, I, n, d, in, d, in, din, din. It is a loud, unpleasant, and prolonged noise. D, og, d, og, d, og, dog, dog, d, a, k, d, a, k, d, a, k, duck, duck. Great job, everyone. Great job. right, that ends our activity today. So it's time to say goodbye, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.